Hello, what is up? So I just wanted to come on and make this little intro because I'm nearly at 100 subscribers. How cool is that? I know that might seem like a little drop in the ocean somewhere, but no, I just wanted to say thank you so much for anybody who's interested in watching me, hearing me, what I have to say. Thank you so much. So I've kind of been floating around doing my own thing with the videos I've been posting. I've been posting covers and bits of makeup here and there. You know, everybody's got 2-second memories nowadays. Nobody wants to watch full-on makeup videos, but I'm still making them on like a shorter scale on TikTok and Instagram. I'm just thinking maybe for 100 subscribers I could do some type of get to know me type of video, or just like talk about my interests and what I hope to do with this channel. I have some ideas, so hopefully you can stick around. I'd love to hear some if you have any questions, or I know I'm talking to like 20 people, but thank you to anybody who's joining me on this little journey. I'm really enjoying it. I've always wanted to do it. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and yeah, let's get into this video. Hello, what is up? Today I'm gonna be recreating Gottmik'S entrance look, and I've been loving this new season. Love all the different looks, so any ones you want me to try, just leave them in the comments. Who do I think will win? I think Utica or Simone or Gottmik are gonna win. So I'm gonna be following along the tutorial that she put up. I will not subject you to watch any of that blocking out my brows, because it was just awful. They're so hard to block out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the white base on. Casually stabbing possible carcinogenic talcum powder into my eye. I'll just leave that there. Okay, so now that my base is all done, she goes and does a grey contour and then cuts it out with the white paint again. So I'm gonna just use a grey that I have in this horrible old Naked palette and go for it. I actually love using a grey for contour if I'm doing a really pale look and I don't want to look really bronzed. I actually do really like it. So a lot of this look is really precise lines, and I'm gonna have a hard time with shaky hands, but I'll do my best. So now that we are cut, I'm gonna start doing the eyes, and Gottmik is an amazing makeup artist, so this will be hard. But yeah, I hope you can stay around and see the finished product. Also, I put up a video dyeing my hair, and I'm probably gonna have to redo it soon and bleach it and all that. So let me know if you want to see another video like that. You can go watch it if you like those type of videos. It actually turned out grand. Like, I was worried about it because I always got my hair done by other people, but I actually did an alright job. Like, I know it looks a bit mad now, my roots have grown in, but yeah, I don't know, I think I'll stick with blue. But I do want to go proper green, like lime green at some point. Let me know what colours you'd like to see, or if you want to see another video of it. Yeah, so these lines are a bit messy at the moment, but she's going to clean it up after, so am I. Just following this step by step. So I don't have neon paints with me here. I'm not in my regular home. I'm not in my actual home. I'm staying with my boyfriend for a few months, so I don't have my neon paints, and I'm just going to use regular paints and then put eyeshadow on top of them to try and make them pop more. But yeah, this is going to be a journey. I hope I get them even. So I'm just going to map out dots of where the curves should be and go with that and hope for the best. I hope these are even. That's what I'm going to go with, and yeah, let's go. Now I'm gonna try repeat that on the other side. Yeah, so I think that's as even as I'm gonna get them. Not too bad, not too bad. How's everybody's quarantine been going? I'm in Ireland obviously, so for someone with very shaky hands, I actually don't know how I managed to do half this stuff. And I'm going to replicate it again on the other side. I actually just went in and redid the eyeliner, the flicks at the end, just make sure they're all pointing in the same direction because mine were kind of flat, which was hard to block out with the paint, but sure look. The next colour is yellow and that's going just above the eyeliner and up to the top. And I'm just going to go and replicate this one over here. So those two are done, and then she goes and takes a black line in between the green and pink and then cleans up the black liner. Unpopular opinion, maybe not unpopular, but Tina Burner, she should have won that lip sync. She should have won it. Am I wrong though? I don't know, like I love Utica, I really do, but that made me start questioning Drag Race. Something weird going on. Something weird. So that's all I'll say about it. Don't come for me. This is all my own opinion. Isn't that what they say? Isn't that what YouTubers say? I don't know. Give me your opinions on that. What you think? Who should have won that? And who do you want to win? Ooh, that is a bit shaky looking, but sure, we'll fix it. And I love what she said. It's true, it's just makeup. You can fix it. I'm a proper perfectionist, and if I don't like the way something's come out, I'm just like, proper ruins my whole confidence and how I feel about myself. But yeah, it is makeup. It's literally just makeup. Don't need to take it so seriously. I have a feeling I'm gonna end up having to go back in with the pink and green to fix that black line. Wow. God, this is not going great, is it? Oh God, I want to cry now. Okay, so I've just tried to fix everything as much as I could, and that's the best we're gonna get. If you go and try this, it's way harder than it seems. Way harder than it seems, just because everything's so symmetrical. Yeah, God. Pray for me. She creates a new waterline just down here and then lines it all the way up here and down with orange. Oh, and by the way, I'm using a mixture of Snazaroo paints and the Mehron Paradise paints palette, and it's very messy.
It's looking really good.
Thank you. Okay, I am nearly there. After all this, nearly there. I did this orange line, and then I think she brings the black down just a little bit there to create the eye illusion more, and then uses like a hot pink to blend out with the orange. So that's the plan. Okay, wow, this is our first bit of eyeshadow. So I'm gonna put the pink under the orange, and it's just a Morphe palette I got secondhand, would you believe it or not? I just blended that out. It's hard to blend with the base I have underneath, but I tried my best. And I'm gonna repeat it on this side. Yeah, so I have that all blended out, and the next step is she adds these little clown lines going, like, I don't even know how to describe, little triangles coming down here and then in the middle. So my lines are probably a bit bigger than hers, but that's what we have, so that's what we're working with. So she puts a little beauty mark here and then contours her nose. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I attempted to do nose contour. My nose is not great for that, but I tried. And she does eyebrows, which I completely forgot about because I'm not looking forward to that at all. So I'm going to do them off camera and come back to you. Right, I did my eyebrows and the nose contour. All that's left is a black lip and then I'm done. So the last thing left is lashes. Well, never mind, because as I said, I'm at my boyfriend's, cannot find lashes for the life of me. So this is gonna have to do. I'm gonna take my hair down and give you a proper look at it. I am raging, I can't find those eyelashes. Well, that was the final look. I really hope you liked it. It was a struggle, for sure. So let me know if you want to see anybody else. And yeah, if you watched this, thank you so much. You can like and subscribe if you like. You can leave it any time. Yeah, bye, see ya.